sure. It is tap move number 12, and it is called the pullback. So I'm going to use, as you guys can see, I have a chair here. I'm going to use the chair to show you guys, because I find it, when you're explaining it, it's a little bit easier to sit down on a chair, so you can kind of get a better understanding of what you do with your feet when you're standing up. So you're going to use 2 feet at the same time. But I'm going to show you guys, I'm going to move it to the side. I'm going to show you guys what you're going to do just with 1 foot. So you're just going to do brush step. So you're brushing that foot back and then stepping on the ball of your foot. So brush step. As you can see, I don't have my heel down. You kind of smack the floor and step. So brush step. And again, just do it again. Brush step. I didn't hear it very well that time. I'm going to try again. Brush step. So you really want to, when you brush it, you want to like slap the floor. Like, hey. And then with 2 feet, you're going to do, so move up a little bit, and you're going to do brush step. You see that? 2 feet. You're just going to do brush step. And you're brushing back. And you're not using your heels are not coming down. They stay up on the ball of your feet. And you're just going to brush step. One more time. Brush step. Good. So just, if this is all new for you, I would recommend a chair just to practice with your feet, just to get the rhythm of what you're going to be doing. Okay? Alright. I'm going to move this chair to the side because we're going to try it standing up. So I'm going to face the back because generally you're moving backwards motion. So, again, all you're doing with your feet, they're going to be together at the same time. It's just going to be brush step, brush step, brush step. I'm just going to do it. I'm going to do it facing the front. I'm going to show you what it looks like. I'm on the balls of my feet. I'm going to do a little hop, hop, brush step. And I want you to listen to it this time. Ready? See that? So it helps doing a hop. So I'm going to face the corner. So I do hop, brush step. Again. And hop, brush step. And if you wanted to hold on to something, hop, brush step. That helps too. If you have like a bar, or even hold on to the wall at your house, home, wherever you are, it might help as well. So I'm going to try doing them like in a row. So I'll show you guys what I mean. So I would recommend starting with a hop. Did you see that? I did a couple little hops and then I went. One more time. So this is called a pullback. Ready? And. So that is what it is. Like I said, I really generally recommend holding onto a wall while you practice, sitting on a chair, and also add a little hop because it helps you slap your foot. You want to make sure you go with 2 feet. You want to really hear the slap or the hit on the floor. Whew, I'm out of breath. All right, good job today, guys. Like I said, if you need to watch it again, rewatch it. It doesn't usually happen right away. It takes a few times to practice, and then hopefully eventually you'll get it and you'll be on your way. Well, I'll see you guys next time for another video, okay? Bye!